My name is Juan Andres Muñoz, and today I'm going to talk you about the brain and exercise. Okay, so you might think that brain and exercise doesn't have an strict relationship, but as a matter of fact, they do have one. A lot of studies have shown that women and men who constantly exercise over the years, they acquire a lot of abilities which makes their brain function in a different way. These abilities might be seen in a mental and also in a physical way. So we could ask ourselves a question based on that, which is how does the brain strengthens and empowers itself with the constant exercise or physical activity. Okay, so to answer this question, we have to have in account three general aspects. The first one is like the biological aspect, in which we could say that when we exercise, there's a big improvement of the blood flow. So this improvement means that it increases, making new cells born, and most of these cells might be considered as nerve cells that could help our brain function in a more effective way. Also, by doing exercise, our blood volume increases, which is a very good thing, and also it delivers nutrients and oxygen to our body. Okay, so the second aspect we have to take into account is improvements and benefits of exercise to the brain. Okay, so one of them is the memory function. Our memory starts working in a harder way. Also, by exercising, our brain improves cognitive functions, which means the ability to process thoughts. Also, it could help us make complex tasks easier, and also it has a lower risk for Alzheimer. Okay, now the third aspect is the relationship with brain injuries and like the feelings or emotional thing. By exercising, it is seen that our brain tends to people who exercise tends to have a healthier life, so don't tend to have strokes, for example. By exercising, they could prevent it, and also this improves the stress resilience, so you could manage in an easier way different situations. And also this produces a feeling of happiness that has been shown in different studies, that people who constantly runs or even walk feel all the stress is left out of their body, and they feel relieved. And also another important aspect is that it reduces frustration. So we could say that the brain and exercise have a really strong relationship between them, and well, each type of exercise seems to have different effects on the brain, but all of them have a positive effect. So no matter what type of sport or exercise you like, you would always find a way in them to improve your brain. Thank you.